This is a GCS News Break.
Each year in October, the Everyone Club celebrates Unity Day at Smith High School, and it's a National Anti-Bullying Day. It was started by students. It was students who saw a need to talk about bullying. I feel like a lot of times it happens, but we don't talk about it. And so this is a way for students to discuss bullying, talk about their experiences with bullying, and then do something about it.
We highlight bullying prevention, and we're spreading out awareness to stop bullying. And our students today, they're signing our banner, and they're also taking pictures with our picture frames. And if you're wearing orange, you get to get candy. This is important because in many schools, even though students don't see it or teachers, there's always bullying happening somewhere, and even online.
I think the awareness has really grown. Students are more aware of what they can do about bullying, and they feel more empowered to stop it.
It has grown a lot because last year we had our trips to go to the middle schools, and we actually talked with the students to prevent bullying, and we actually got the grant recently, so it has grown a lot.
We just recently won the Say Something, I think it's All-State grant, and it's a $500 grant that we're going to get to use to help promote our club and help promote nonviolence. I love what they do. I tell them what we need to do, they do it. They come up with all the ideas, and they make the banners, they have the teacher signs, they did everything this year, so I just really appreciate them really stepping it up and doing something to support the club.
This has been a GCS News Break.